Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Sorry, my voice is kind of coming back today, I guess. So it's actually my first time I heard myself talk. um, yeah, so let's get right into it. Today it is Wednesday, March 2nd, 2021. I'm sorry, 2022. And yeah, this is something that I'm looking at right here just to give you some insight. So um, let's just go off the basics, right? Yesterday I was able to catch a trade. I wish I would have caught more of it. I knew it was coming down to this level at least, and I just pulled it early, not really thinking because I guess I was a little spooked on what happened in here. I lost some money, then was able to go ahead and react and take the trade after I see multiple rejections up here. So we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So I feel like this could have been the breaker structure right here, right? Then we have, right, lower low, and break back down below this low, right? Broken structure, lower high, higher low. And then we had another breaker structure right here. Price broke above this high and this high. But let's just call it this high. Broke above and actually broke above this high as well. So I feel like this was a clean breaker structure to the upside. There was a clean ILC formed right here, and you could see price came up and just rejected it. So something that I definitely see right here. And another thing that I do see is that there's a possible breaker structure to the downside, right? This is just what I'm looking at right now. This might change right now with the market open, but you could see essentially we have what 15, 20 companies that are a little bit red or a little bit green, and then up here we have a majority of the companies all red, right? You could see Booking.com, Amazon.com, Alphabet. I think this is Google right here. Google. Oh yeah, Google. So these are the big companies, right? Nvidia. All of these right here, they're big companies, and they're the ones, Netflix, that Charter. These are the ones that are actually doing the worst, right? So Tesla, Facebook, or Meta. So that's why I kind of feel like this can happen. But we also have news today. Powell is going to testify today, right? We've already seen that ADP NFP was actually better than expected by a lot, almost 100,000. And yeah, so it looks like big news coming out at 7. We could see price kind of just linger in this area until 7 a.m. before it makes its move. So that's actually a possibility as well. But I just feel like if we go to the 1 hour chart, I feel like overall market sentiment is still breaker structure to the still coming down. That's my opinion, right? We've seen all these rejections here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I didn't delete all these from my journal. Whoops. So this is a key support level as well. Have to keep that in there. And yeah, I mean, I think price should come down overall. But let's just be who we are, and I'm gonna take what the market gives us at open. So we'll see what that is. You can see it just tapped and rejected the body of this 15-minute candle. I'm sorry, yeah, the body of the 15-minute candle here. Just tapped and rejected it. We got about 8 minutes left. There's 9.5 minutes left till open. So really, it's just a matter of what the market's going to give us. I like this sell, truthfully. I do. I like what the sell has to offer. And you see the rejections right here at the 5-minute, 15-minute EMA. So I do like it, truthfully. So let's see what it gives us. I mean, this is what I'm gonna go based off in the market today, and we'll see exactly what it gives us. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So let's see. I mean, this is what I like here. You know what? Let's check out US30. Basically the same kind of get up right here, right? Break a structure to the upside after we've seen these highs all broken. So let's just do this. Let's go. Here, all right. See how it looks on the 15-minute, might be a little bit bigger. Yeah, you can see here. It already came down and respected it, right? This ILC here. So we go down to the 5-minute. We see that this option is available. Let's do that green. Right. So I can see any of these things happening right here, even though there's a war going on, all that shit. I mean, technically, I guess you could have your, since this is another ILC right here, but you're not gonna have 100 and 100 pips stop loss. That's not smart whatsoever. So I would probably take something like this. 3-minute, a little bit lower, right? 1 minute, even lower. And we could, the reason I like putting all of these up is just so it reminds me when I'm here on these 1-minute charts to be like, okay, it could come down a little bit lower here, right? Or even down here. Just got to gauge the market for what it is. And I like going both ways. So we can see this sentiment happen, right? Let's go. It's a clean rejection out of there, right? So do what we did here. Nice ILC right there as well, right? Some price looks like it's already rejecting somewhat. So you can see price has already tapped that area a couple times, but I think if it comes back on here and respects this EMA right there, that'll probably push up. You can see the EMA is under there as well, so it looks like, if it stays above and this next candle at 635 comes up, taps this and respects it, it could push up to the upside. So this one's already here as well. Looks like both of my biases, both of what my biases would be have already been tapped. So let's just go ahead and see. Actually, let me put this date right. It is the 2nd. We got about 3.5 minutes left till open, so let's see. And Johnny, if that's you on there, let me know if you see anything, bro. If you see anything different than the way I see it. Put it down right there, and I'm going to get my chart set up real quick. So here I'll have 1 minute, It's a pretty clean rejection, so I do like it. You know what I mean? I feel like price should come down, the war, all of that. I feel like it should. Hopefully it'll give us another entry at open. As you guys know, I like setting up the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute. Let's see what it gives us right here. See if it gives us another shot to hop in. And the reason I like this trade is because we got higher high, higher low, higher high. I guess this is a lower low here. So technically, I guess the breaker structure was here. Lower low, lower high, lower than this high, right? Higher low, lower high. So all these highs were lower, and then it definitely broke both of these lows right here at this level. And yeah, so let's see if it follows the route that I'm taking. I'm just trying to keep it simple, and we'll go from there. Looks like it's headed our way. So let's see. Got about a minute till open. I mean, if this was the trade here, you know, I would have taken it. If price was here at open, or even here at open, came down, rejected this area, and came down here, I would have bought for sure. So, you know, let's see what the market gives us. Got a minute till open. Let's see here. Already showing some rejections at that level. See how this candle finishes. I mean, you can see it's already a pretty clean rejection right there. Alright, let's see. I put a little sell in. Oh, shit. Damn. I put a sell in. Damn. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. I'm in at a... Don't like that it's pushing down so early in the candle. And you see rejecting that. I'd like to see it push down far, you know, later into the candle, because it can still make its mind up and push up to the upside, right? Right, it's right around my entry at 78.55. Well, now it's pushing up. So let's see. I just put a 0.02 in there. Now I entered a position now. Damn, kind of looks like it's... The thing is moving up to the upside, but we'll see. I'm in there. I got multiple positions now. I mean, let's see if it goes our way. 78.55. Oh, shit. Uh, 78.55, 76.50, and 84.10. Yeah, I think I should move my stops to break even, just because we need to see it get through here, right? That's the first order of operations, is to see it get through that zone right there. We could go off my bottom position. Damn. That is not good at all. 4 seconds left. That's a huge rejection off of this 1 minute 50. Huge rejection. You know. Let's see if it can continue. We still got... Nah. You see how it's rejecting? It's kind of like a small head and shoulders pattern. You got the left shoulder rejecting the 20 EMA. The head rejecting the 50 EMA. And now we just need this one to break all the way through, or the right shoulder sitting on top of the 20 EMA. Still early in the candle, so let's see. I don't like it. Gotta get stopped out at break even if it comes up, you know. And yeah, I think it's coming up, but we'll see. I'm gonna trust the trade. I think we'll see what happens. Oh, nice, 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 nice. My target, I'm gonna definitely take some profits here at this level here, but my target is gonna be hold on, I'll move everything. It's not breaking through it, right? Let's see. Yeah, I don't like that. But we'll see. I mean, I like the way this candle finished, but this is a key level right here, right? This level, we see some support, resistance, support, support, support. Now it's breaking through, so that's a good thing. So let's see here. I'm going to definitely take some profits down at this area once it gets down to this zone. Just want to make sure that it's doing what we want it to do, though. I don't want to pull everything too early, but definitely want to pull some profits once it taps. I'll pull my bottom position, which is at about 89. Oh, shit. It rejected already? 94. Let me just grab it. So, $90 right there that I was able to make. And now we're up with my other two positions. I have a 0.04, about 240. Damn, I could have pulled it a lot. You know, could have made another 20 bucks off of it. Oh, you see that rejection right there? Oof, it's a big rejection. But I like it. Damn. 30 seconds left. Let's see what it gives us. You know what I mean? There's still a lot of time. So it could still show its true colors and come down here. But damn, look at that reject. Shit. It's a big rejection. If it finishes like this, not looking good. Damn. See, I'm caught in a real dilemma right here. Like, I want to buy, truthfully. Like, I think it could respect this zone, but let's see what the market gives us. I'm going to trust the sentiment, which is we got a war going on. A lot of things. I think the market's been sitting up in this area a little too long as well. So let's see. I don't want it to finish like this because, tweezer bottom, if it finishes matching or engulfing like that, that's not so good for what we're trying to do here. 17 seconds. It's going to show us what it wants to do right here, I believe. Damn. And let's see. See, it's a little too early in the candle, but let's see if it can just, yeah, I think I'm going to pull another position. I kind of want to buy. Shit's crazy. I mean, I guess I could have technically been done for the day, hit my monetary goal, but my PIP goal hasn't been met. And, damn, I think, I might have fucked up. Should have trusted my gut and bought, but, you know, I want to stick to what I was thinking, which this is a seller's market. So, let's see. This is our hope right here. We need price to stay below these 50 and the 20. Just come down. This is one of those things where I kind of want to just do the set it and forget it type of thing. So remember how I was telling you about this level earlier? Support, resistance, support. We needed that. We needed this to be used as resistance. It's a key area, right? But look at that. Still getting rejections here. Damn. Yeah, I think this boy is going up, man. I think I might have missed the trade. Let's see, man. I mean, I'm going to trust what I got. I hope it comes down a little bit more, but we'll see. Really a key level right here, right? Because you can see what it's doing here, but now we just need it to continue down to the downside. This is the last candle of this last minute of this 5-minute candle right here, and I mean, truthfully, I think it should come down. Come down a little bit. It's just this area right here, right? We've already seen the rejection and the push. I mean, let's just stick to our sentiment. It's hard to say. I like the way it finished, definitely, compared to it finishing bullish, but you can still reject this area and push up, right? I like that it engulfed these two candles completely. Now let's see if it can do its thing here and break through this. Yeah, you see, might just be playing in this area, guys, until Jerome Powell speaks. And then, at that point, kind of, oh, fuck. That wasn't good. Damn. Well, I pulled my profits. I made about $50. I was up like $220 at one point. Fuck. Yeah, I should have trusted my gut, which was the buy. Damn. That was a huge rejection, truthfully. Looks like there's a rejection right here on the 5-minute, but yeah, we got to see if it's gonna. Honestly, damn, man. I mean, the most I took was like at 47 pips or so. Shit, it might just blow through this motherfucker right here. Another rejection, but that's why I wouldn't put a buy up there, just because that's a key level, right? That's been respected multiple times. Look at how this 5-minute candle finished, right? Like that. And this one's all the way up here, which is a huge engulfing candle. Basically, engulfing both of those. And on the 15-minute, it still hasn't finished, but you can see it's pretty fucking indecisive still, right? So, and it does. It's respecting it, but it looks like it has a lot of pull to the upside. Damn. I think that was really the trade right there. Damn, the trade was this buy. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't want to overtrade at this point. You could see it got me, you know what I mean? For 14 minutes, this motherfucker was down here. 13 minutes, and then the last 2 minutes it did this. So, you know, we'll see. I was able to make about 170, 173 today. Damn. But the real buy, or the real trade, was this buy right here. We already seen the reaction, we've seen the rejections, but sure enough, it made its way to the upside. So, and it doesn't look like it's coming down. You know, so this was the real trade. You know, I think I was overthinking a little bit too much, because the break of structure happened here, not here. This was the break of structure. So at this point, we're looking for buys. We're waiting for price to come to this zone. We buy again. And, you know, I told you guys I was filling buys. Should have looked for the buys. We would have had our stop loss right under here. And, you know, our target. Well, we could have just matched these and hit 100 pips, right? We would have been up 70, 80 pips at this point. So that's a mistake on my behalf. Got to get better, you know, truthfully. And, yeah, you know, honestly, I'm not happy with the monetary goal. It's okay. Yesterday we hit pretty decently, but as long as we're up, you know what I mean. As long as we're up. So I think, you know, truthfully, we could just call it a day with that. And, you know, got to learn from it. I think I was just overthinking a bit too much with the breaker structure here. I mean, we caught a clean trade, right? Caught a beautiful trade. Really, our stop loss would have been just about right there, 27 pips. And if we caught the entire trade, not that great of a risk reward. But, you know, our target was down here at the 27%, which would have been a great risk reward. But, you know, it is what it is. I mean, a good trade now would be to see if price can come down and retest, you know, the 1 minute, 5-minute um, 50 EMA, come back, retest it, and then continue up to the upside. You know, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But we'll see. I'm going to try and stay away, you know, basically toss my phone or computer to the side, because I have been noticing that I haven't been following my rules as much. I haven't been following my trading plan, my trading rules, which is essentially stay away from over trading, right? 1 to 3 trades, get in and get out. Damn, look at that. It's on its way to 190 pips. So that was the real trade. I missed it. Got to get better at it. But over trading, trading more, taking more than 3 positions, doing things the wrong way in terms of entering multiple positions and jumping in too late, not trusting myself necessarily. Today I think I did a good job of entering, writing down, keeping my stop loss where it needed to be. So, I think that was overall a good job. But this point we'll see though. But yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll get this shit. We'll make some money. We'll catch some more pips. Today we caught 49 of the potential, like what, 65, we'll call it. I think I caught like 47 of the 65. But the real trade was here, right? After this movement and retest here, we should have entered here, if not here, and caught this up to the upside. It's now up 100 pips. So lesson learned. I'm going to go ahead and take that one to the bank, and we'll just go from there, man. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. We made some money, which is better than losing some money, and we'll get back to the markets tomorrow and kill this shit. So I appreciate you guys again, man. You guys have a good one, and we'll talk soon. Yeah, you were right. Overthink it. So now, yeah, now that price broke that. Yeah, good shit, Johnny. That was the move right there. That was the move right there for sure. So we'll take the lesson we learned from it, and now we just now we do what we need to do, which is make some money. So I appreciate you, man. Tune in tomorrow.